Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps not downloading from Play Store. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data that keeps disconnecting is one of the most common reasons Play Store downloads fail. Solution 2. Clear cache and data. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Tap on App Management. Step 3. Tap on App List. Step 4. Find and tap Google Play Store. Step 5. Tap on Storage and Cache. Step 6. Hit Clear Cache, then clear data and confirm. Solution 3. Update Google Play Store. Step 1. Open the Play Store app. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Go to Settings. Step 4. Click on About. Step 5. Tap on Update Play Store under the Play Store version. If an update is available, it will install automatically. Running the latest version ensures better performance and fewer bugs. Solution 4. Remove and re-add your Google account. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to User and Accounts. Step 3. Tap on your Google account. Step 5. Select Remove Account. Step 6. Then go back and tap on Add Account to log in again. This restarts account-related settings that might be blocking the Play Store. Solution 5. Restart your device. A quick restart can fix a lot of minor software issues. Just hold your power button and restart your phone. After rebooting, try downloading apps again. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the issue for you. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.